In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize a habit tracker using Notion's Marketplace. This guide will walk you through the process step by step to make it easy and straightforward. First things first, we need to open our web browser and go directly to Google. If you're at your home screen or on another web page, opening a new tab is a simple way to start fresh. In the Google search bar, you want to type in Notion and press Enter. Look at the search results, and you should see the official Notion website pop up as the first link. Click on that link, and it'll take you straight to the Notion homepage. Here, you'll want to make sure you're logged in. If you haven't already, click on the Login button located either at the top right or wherever Notion has positioned this button for easy access. Once logged in, we're heading to the Marketplace, which holds a gamut of templates to help streamline whichever task you're setting up in Notion. So, find and click on Marketplace. This can usually be found in the main navigation menu. If you have trouble locating it, using a site search feature or referring to the help option can provide further guidance. Now that you're in the Marketplace, you'll use the search bar to find a habit tracker. So, go ahead and type in Habit Tracker and see what pops up. Among the list, look for the Habit Tracker by Notion. This specific tracker is popular and user-friendly, making it a fantastic choice for anyone needing a robust system. Click on it to learn more. You'll find a wide array of features and feedback from other users here, providing additional insights into its efficiency. When you decide it's the right choice, you're just going to click Add to apply this template to your Notion account. The process is pretty seamless. After you've added it, it's important to directly click on Habit Tracker within your workspace. This step ensures that you bring up the template for immediate customization. Now comes the fun part, customizing the habit tracker to meet your specific needs. Notion allows a high degree of personalization, so you can adjust settings, rename sections, or even modify how you visualize your habits within the tracker. Think about the habits you're intending to monitor, whether they're daily, weekly, or another interval, and adjust accordingly. And there you have it. A powerful habit tracker set up in Notion, tailored to fit your unique style and requirements. Remember, regularly updating your progress will provide the biggest benefit from your new system. I hope this helps make tracking your habits simpler and more enjoyable. Thank you for following along, and happy tracking!